Hello,
Hello, good afternoon.
good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, pretty well. What about you?
Yeah, doing good as well. So, how's your day going on today?
Yeah, today my day is going well. Every day is, we can say, going well. We can say nowadays, children they are going to school. Then we have
Mm-hmm.
lots of work. So yeah,
Okay,
and
all
we
right.
have this desire of learning this language. Then we have to get time.
Hmm. Okay, so you last time I think I had one session with you when you said
Yeah.
that you,
Oh
uh,
yes, yes,
yes, so you were also following YouTube channel, right?
yes,
So, how
yes.
is it going?
Yeah, now it is going well, but it's not a piece of cake. You know, that is social media. I'm not a one person in this world who is a
Hmm.
YouTuber. So
Correct. It is
there's
a critical work, of course, and a lot of dedication is required. So, are
yes.
you able to like take time and upload videos and edit them? Are you able to do that?
Yeah, yeah, now I'm doing, we can say, children, they are very busy in their study as well. So,
Hmm.
whenever, actually, I used to enjoy in my spare time, but now I have one work for editing. My
Okay.
videos. Whenever I get time, then I edit my videos.
Okay.
Oh
So,
yeah,
I like the background that you are in. Like, have you customized it?
yeah. That is a wallpaper.
Yes, but it's looking beautiful. Like, it's
Yeah.
complementing your, attire, what you're wearing now, and also it looks
Yes.
very pretty. Yes, it looks like quite exotic, you can say, right?
Yeah. There are so many ma'ams from English Shari praised
Yes,
about this wallpaper.
yes, it looks very beautiful. So, I think that you like uh, refabricating your house most of the time, is it?
Yes. Yes.
You
Now we are
like
in the.
decorating your house. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. All right. So, apart from that, now today we have things I want my younger self to know. So, this is a good topic, of course. Sometimes we need little quiet time to understand and resist some things, also to accept and resist some things. So, tell me what is more important, hard work or smart work for you?
Nowadays is smart work because nowadays we have a technology and in a sorter we can get knowledge as well because we have
Hmm.
social media, but we should have knowledge for using this. If we
Correct.
are keep reading, keep cramming, but we don't have a smart talent.
Hmm.
So yeah, we can learn only. We can't get advantage of this. So
Yes.
we need the
Mm-hmm.
smart work
That is
because
true.
nowadays we have to learn and we have to give a short answer, not a
Hmm.
long answer. In our time, when I was a student, then I used to give long answer, 3 page answer
Yes.
within 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Correct. So I think that it's very important to do both. Hard work is a physical
Yeah,
activity which
yeah.
we require, right?
Yes, yes.
And smart work is required in our companies, like where we are, giving our skills, like it can be utilized. And of course, we learn a lot of things as well from smart work. So, do you think that now you are running an YouTube channel, right? So, do you think that physical hard work is required or smart work?
Hard work is smart work because after seeing thumbnail, then people want to watch videos. Hmm?
Yes.
That is
Okay.
a smart work. And
Hmm.
yeah, they don't want to watch what is inside the topic,
Hmm.
what is inside this frame.
Hmm.
After watching, if we are accused, then people want to watch this video.
Correct.
Oh,
Yes.
if
Mhm.
we have a background is good, then people want to watch this video. But
Hmm.
yeah, we should eloquent speaker as well. We should be.
Yes. So both is required. Hard work is required plus smart work, because
Hmm.
consistency is again hard work and smart work is to apply your skills in that, right?
Yes, yes.
Your child.
I think in your side something network glitches is going.
From my end.
Yeah, because before that your picture was blurry and your
Okay,
voice.
now.
Now it's right.
Okay, I think because of the season
Weather.
that is in monsoon season, yes. The
Yes,
weather.
yes. Okay.
Yes. So I was saying that how would you describe yourself in 3 words when you were a child?
Yeah, I was notorious and
Mhm.
I was not perfect in a study. And actually, I was respected.
Respectful. Okay, good. So I think that these are three things that, of course, every child has, similar attributes. But yes, now how would you describe yourself after you are in a phase of motherhood, adulthood? So,
Hmm.
what changes have you seen in your?
Yeah, after getting married, everybody has to change their life. So I
Yes.
also changed so many things after getting married. We can say after become a mother, and it is a very little bit hectic, not so much hectic because we want our child. So
Yes.
that is our desire, and we want to give them better life more than us. Hmm?
Correct.
So that is
Mm-hmm.
a reason we have to sacrifice. And after doing this, then we feel, yeah, actually we have crossed our 15 years, 20 years in a study, but
Mm-hmm.
we have left everything in Almira or degree in Almira. What's the
Mm-hmm.
need of our study? And now in this era, we have social media, then we want to do something for ourselves, not for English language. Whatever we have a quality, then we can raise our children as well
Mm-hmm.
as the soul personality. Yeah,
Correct.
we were that and we are that. This.
Correct. So responsibility comes with time, yes, and we have to make a lot of changes. We have to get matured. We have to be responsible. Time management is the key point, isn't it? And also being empathetic. Like we have to understand everyone's point of view, like in the house once we are married, right?
Yes.
So, did you enjoy studying as a child? Were you studious kid or were you superior? Do you think that during your study time?
Yeah, I was notorious. I told you I was not perfect in a study, but I used to go every day because
Hmm.
I was forced by my mama ki you have to go, you have to go. You can't
Hmm.
leave now. So
Yes.
then I used to go. And yeah, I have one incident. It was
Hmm.
very amazing. Actually, there were two Seema in my classroom.
Okay.
So I was not perfect, but she was monitor, and both were Seema. So
Okay.
see, yeah,
Hmm.
once actually after giving exam, it's a time of getting result. Then
Hmm.
ma'am said, Seema is a first in this class. Oh, then I was feeling over the moon. And after
Yes.
coming house, then I said to everyone in my family, I got first position in my class. And then my
Wow.
father gave me some
Hmm.
rupees and something for party. Then I
Hmm.
enjoyed with a friend. And
That's
next day,
lovely.
then I got my result. Then I was failed in one subject in this. It was English.
Mm-hmm.
It
Yes.
was English.
Mm-hmm.
So then I was thinking, ki, oh my God, how can I see this result? So these results are to
Mm-hmm.
my
Yes.
parents. Then I had to get signature. So then
Oh.
I did signature myself and I deposited my result. It
Okay.
was a big incident, and my brother,
Hmm.
he knew about this. Then he
Oh.
paid the bill. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
then he said, "Mama, he did her signature. She did her signature," and
Yes, I think everyone has this same common aspect, in school. Like, of
yeah,
course, one at a time, people will do it, right? As a student,
yeah.
to
But
side,
now
yes.
I have to depend on myself. Ki, yeah, if we can say somebody had made me understand, ki, yeah, you have to do this work.
Hmm.
That is a very beneficial for your future.
Correct.
So
Mm-hmm.
I would be a teacher of government now.
Okay. Yes, that is true. So sometimes what we didn't do in the past, we feel that, okay, we repent sometimes, okay, I could have done that, right? But yes, now there are lots of changes, and you have better things to do than what you ever thought. So, did you also help your parents in their work? Like, as a young child, we have that kind of curiosity to learn new things. What was your curiosity back then?
Okay, in past time, in child time.
Yes, in your childhood. Like, it
Hmm.
can be
I
teenage also. You can tell me
hmm.
whatever you were curious about.
Yeah, I used to do worship
Hmm.
a lot. Yeah, after seeing my mama, then I used to worship,
Hmm.
and I had one tenant at my house. Then we were actually class fellow as well as friend. So we
Yeah.
used, yeah, and we actually used to worship together. And somebody said, one priest make us. Then he said, ki, yeah, if you do worship at night, then you will get high marks in a result. Then once
Mm-hmm.
we actually did worship at night, approximately 2:30,
Hmm.
and our parents actually they were looking for us. Ki,
Yes.
yeah, actually, where are they? They are not around us. And we actually we were on the terrace. We were worshiping.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh. So yes, so we are so innocent at that period of time. Like whatever people, advise us, suggest us, so we take it seriously. So that is a curiosity indeed, isn't it? So learning new things, and whatever people say, we definitely believe that, right? So
yeah,
that is the innocence of childhood, you can say. Also, like, how would you describe your kids, or what differences you can see, you being 15 years old back then when you were a teenager, and
yeah.
now, if you see, look at your child, your children. So what are the similarities and differences that you see?
It's a use different between this time. We can say when I was 15 as a
Yes,
teenager.
yes.
Hmm.
15 years. Hmm.
Yeah. So then I used to play about Gudda and Gudiya, this type of. I didn't aware about this type of study and going outside. I had
Hmm.
friend, she was my tenant, and I we used to play.
Yes.
So yeah, and we used to learn everything because we were class fellow as well. And
Hmm.
but she was perfect in a study. I was not perfect. We used
Okay.
to play, and once she decided for getting Gudda Gudiyar's marriage, and she had a Gudda
Hmm.
and I had Gudiya. Then she said, "Yeah, Sima, actually now we should arrange their marriage." Then I said,
Hmm.
"Okay." Then we actually put a one card, like a greeting card we used to make in our school time, and
Okay.
we distributed with our friend, and then we can say we celebrated this marriage with a pop and show. We collected money, and
Yes.
that after 1 week, she didn't give me my doll. Then she said, Ki, you don't know. After getting married,
Hmm.
actually, we have to keep all husband's house. Then I said, it is a very expensive, my doll. Then I was crying. Then I said to my mama,
Hmm.
it was
Yes.
notorious work, but now it's not the time for doing these
Of
activities.
course.
Now
Yes. So these
we
are some
are
memories.
doll.
Mhm.
We can say we are doll, and people actually we can say we are doll and front of our children. They
Hmm.
always say, yeah, you have to do this, then we have to do.
Correct. So when we talk about childhood, there are lot of explicit memories, and some memories are something we feel nostalgic about, right? So yes, so what you shared is absolutely true. And how would you describe immaturity?
Maturity now, time to time, we have to get now after getting married.
Hmm.
Actually, we have to indulge in our family. Hmm? So gradually we can understand ki, yeah, that is a perfect for us because here nobody to listen us. So
Hmm.
gradually we can get maturity, and then we can say after become a mother, then we are full of mature. Whether we are getting married in a early age or
Early or late, it's same thing. Yes. Maturity comes with time, yes. And yes, immaturity is something like even the adults have. Sometimes we behave immature, so it is not something intentional. It can happen unintentionally also, right?
Yes.
So how would you describe anger?
Anger, yeah, we can say I have some problem, drawback like that.
Okay.
Instantly, I get angry if somebody says something wrong
Hmm.
about me. Yeah,
Okay.
we can say, I after waking up, then I always watch my WhatsApp, and after
Hmm.
sending my good morning, if I don't get a good morning in a return, then I instantly get with the person. And if
Oh.
say something, Sima, we can say you are uh, not speaking well, and you should not speak in this social media because it's not perfect for you. Then I
Hmm.
instantly get angry. If somebody asks me money, yeah, Sima, I need money. Yeah, I can help. But
Okay.
when I need money, then
Hmm.
I asked, yeah, I need my money. Then that is a, uh, I'm begging. So
Okay.
then I instantly angry. If somebody
Hmm.
says, Seema, you are not looking good, your
Hmm.
saree is not looking good, then I instantly get angry. So
Okay.
yeah, I
So
have,
like easily, like your temperament easily gets raptured,
yeah,
right? Okay. So yes, sometimes yeah, there are certain drawbacks that everyone has. Now, anger management is something that, like, how do you manage it? What do you do to calm yourself?
yeah. After drinking water, after dancing, after listening
Okay.
song.
Okay. You like to dance as well?
Yeah, I like.
Oh,
We can
that's
say
great.
dance is beneficial for every lady because we don't need to do
Hmm.
exercise. If we dance,
Yes.
then we can get a quality of dancing. We can say if we are caught in a party, like a kitty
Hmm.
party, in a marriage party, then we can dance on the DJ. Then
Yes.
we are habitual of dance as well as we can maintain our personality.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need to do
Yes, correct.
exercise.
I think for physical activity, it's best. Like we are
Yeah,
lots of
yeah. We can
women's
be
join
flexible.
Zumba.
Yeah.
Yes, Zumba is something like you enjoy dance also, and workout is
Zumba.
also
You
dance.
do you know Zumba?
Yes, I used to do Zumba.
Okay.
Prior to like 2, 3 years ago, I had joined Zumba classes. Then I did Zumba at home also. But after that, then I joined gym.
But
So
yeah, it
gym,
is very hard. I don't know. Zumba is very hard.
it is difficult because it's a cardio exercise. You know, you do
Yeah.
cardio, and you need to be very quick
Yeah.
with the
Yes. Yes.
steps. So you
Hmm.
have like 15 minute sesh, and then you have to finish that
Yeah.
song. You know, so back to back, you have lots of cardiovascular exercises or cardio exercises. I mean, so that is one. And gym is something like, of course, each and every muscle, there is a different exercise, right? So
You don't need to do exercise. You are looking very exquisite, and yeah,
okay. Yes. So
like a
no,
doll.
I think that every day, I like to walk. Now I have started walking
Okay.
because I think that walking is best. Like
Hmm.
40, 45 minutes, just that is also cardio.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's what I like. And walking in the nature is something that it gives you a pleasant aspect of breathing and living your life to the
Yeah. Yeah.
fullest. So it
Meditation
was
also. Now
correct.
we are studying, we are learning so many things like a vocabulary, idioms. Then
Hmm.
we feel headache. Hmm? We
Correct.
need
Hmm.
meditation
Like
as
we
well.
feel stress free, yes. So do you like to go for walks sometimes?
Yes, yes. I go with my
Mhm.
friend.
Yes, so in the parks or something. So I think because of the monsoon, it's not possible to go out. But yes, I do that in the on the terrace. So yes, I think these are few things that we can manage our emotions also, right?
Yes, yes.
So stubbornness. What do you think about stubbornness?
Yeah, we can say I was stubborn. Then I told you, I whenever I thought I had to take this, then
Yes.
I somehow got whatever I wanted
Okay.
that time.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm stubborn.
Okay. Yes. So you mean that you whatever you are stubborn about, you get it,
Yeah,
right? Okay. So how do you think about your kids? Like, do you think they act stubborn? So how do you manage their
they
stubbornness also?
always say, "Oh my God, mummy and children both are equal." For taking remote of TV,
Mm-hmm.
Children also, they fighting, and I
Yes.
also fight with them. Yeah, I have to watch my serial. So both
Mm-hmm.
are stubborn.
Yes. So fighted or fought? What is the correct one?
We fought.
Fought. Yes.
Fought.
Past tense. Yes.
Yeah.
Fighted is
Now
something.
we can say no, fight it, no, fight. Fight
Yes.
now.
Fight. Yes. But we fought because that action is done. So
Now,
sometimes we can say
yeah,
we used
whenever
to.
I watch TV, now I'm
Yes.
watching, we can say, yeah, after
Hmm.
this
Correct.
session, then I watch my, I'm left work
Yes.
serial at morning.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So
Hmm.
when it is an act of continuity, so of course simple present tense, and here with the sentence that you use, like that time we used to fight it.
Hmm.
Yes. So there
Okay.
it will be
Fought,
fought.
fought,
Fought.
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 Yeah,
Yes.
fought.
Fought.
Fight,
Hmm.
fought.
Yes. So that is stubbornness. How about being hyperactive? Do you think that sometimes we too become hyperactive? Do you think that's an emotion or no?
No, it's not an emotion. We can say
Okay.
hyperactive.
It's an expression.
Hmm?
Is it an expression? How would you describe that?
Yeah, hyperactive expression. Yeah, we
It's
can
an
say.
expression, strong
Hmm.
expression, yes. So
Strong.
it comes from kids, basically. Whenever, of course, with adults also it happens. Hyperactive, uh,
Hmm.
high sugar content intake, you can say. That can
Hmm.
be the reason. But other than that, hyperactive. How would you describe hyperactive?
Yeah, we can say nowadays every mother has to
Hmm.
keep getting their children. These children also say, "Mama, now you are hyperactive in front
Hmm.
of us. Then
Yes,
please
multiple
calm down,
multitasking.
calm down."
Okay. So you might have seen like women's are usually hyperactive, you can say, because they go beyond their tasks, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that can also be considered as an hyperactiveness. But if
Mhm.
we see the same thing amongst kids, so it is very difficult to control them, right?
Mhm.
Why is it so difficult? Why do you think?
Because now we were notorious. Now they also they have taken on us. We can
Yes.
say, yeah.
Hmm.
So they also very notorious. Then it's nowadays children are very notorious. Then we have to handle. It's very difficult. We
Yes.
have to handle them.
Hmm.
But
Yes, it is very
as a
difficult to
mother,
handle kids,
yeah,
especially if the kid is, quite in the age group of 6 to 10. So
yeah, in
being
a teenager.
hyperactive, then it
Yeah,
is
and
lost.
when they mold into the adult from
Hmm.
teenager, it's
Yes,
very happy because they want to surround everything from parents.
correct.
Hmm.
So, what do you think about unplanned activities? Do you enjoy planned activities or unplanned activities?
Both. We can
Both.
say, yeah,
Okay.
suddenly we are called anywhere, then that is a unplanned activities.
Unplanned
Then,
activity, like
yeah,
surprise. Yeah.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, why do you think unplanned activities are more enjoyable than planned?
Yeah, that is also, we can say, if we are caught in a party
Hmm.
after seeing other person, then we think, oh, actually we are enjoying here, we didn't aware about this party, then we can enjoy and take each day as it's come. Then we should not think about the past and future. Now it's a time for
Hmm.
enjoy. Past is
Okay.
a history, future is a mystery, then that is a time for enjoy, then that
Yes.
we should.
Mm-hmm. So yes, that is a good example, and of course, how would you tell me, like, in your past life, that was in your school life, whatever life we imagine, do you think it's the same now that you're living, or is it different?
It's a huge difference because in my time I had no social media, and
Hmm.
now we have social media. Then people always, we can say students, they
Correct.
always keep gazing social media, and they we can say pretend of doing study work. They always watch something Insta and something talking with a friend. It's a huge difference. It's a far
Correct.
apart between the time.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yes, that's true. So a lot of differences come what we thought that time, because that time we are immature, of course. But now, as you get matured, you start understanding what is good and bad for you. So, any three things that you have learned in your passing years?
Yeah, I actually, uh, I told you about my result. It taught me, yeah, we should not tell a lie, otherwise, we will be scolded and will be beaten by our parents. That
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that is, and now I'm doing hard work because of that day. If my parents actually I was scolded by my parent that time, so
Hmm.
I would be a good speaker now because I
Hmm.
didn't take in a granted this study. So that
Yes.
is and second thing, yeah, I like my personality beauty, and now actually I used to apply so many things, but it taught me we should not
Yes.
use this type of chemical thing, it remove our skin. So that is
Absolutely.
also.
Mm-hmm. That
And
these are the three things
yes.
that you have learned in
Hmm.
the passing years. Great.
And third thing, mingle with a person now. Actually, I speak every day in front of media because this video will be uploaded, then people will watch this video. Then
Hmm.
we should mingle with the person, not a so attention, yes, so attitude. Yeah, I'm up to the mark. And
Yeah.
yeah, for learning, actually, we can say about learning everything we have to learn. Hmm?
Correct. Hmm.
Yeah, whatever we have a desire not for learning this language, whatever we have a desire, like a business, like a dance, like
Hmm.
anything, every day we have to do activities. Now we have this life. Hmm?
Hmm.
We are human being, then we should do something for happiness. Otherwise, after 15 years, after 55, then we will have to repent ourselves. We had a time we didn't do anything. So we
Hmm.
should utilize our time every day.
Yes, true. Yes, so it was a really good topic to talk about what we have cherished throughout the years in our past life, and also now how we are, persisting in our or pursuing, you can say, for our
Mhm.
upcoming life in the years coming to pass. So now, whatever you spoke, I just want to give you one activity as homework. Would be like you have to write something for yourself, like write a letter to yourself. Okay, so in that, what you will see is the tenses, especially the tenses that you will be using for the words, the verbs, and the sentence structure, right? So this is what you will have to read it out whenever we have a class next time. So write a
Hmm.
letter to yourself to talk about like how you had been before, what are you doing presently, and what you expect from life in the coming years or days, right? So
Yeah.
this will help you to achieve a good grammar as well and vocabulary,
Mhm.
right?
Yes. Hmm.
So yes, so that's it. So any questions that you have?
Yeah, we can say, yeah. What should I ask? You are a trainer. I want to be a trainer. Then what should I do?
Okay, but yes, it was a really fresh and impactful session, I can say, where you gave good answers, and I think that your explanations are